Hello YouTube world, welcome to my channel Drone for Beginners. Here I'm gonna do the little unboxing and a flight test of this Santa Claus mini drone. This is the JJRC Flying Santa Claus 2-in-1. It comes with a little Lego like Santa Claus, but I think we must fly it without that little Lego or with only the top part of the Lego if we want to have more flight time. So let's see what's in the box. Let's do a fast unboxing. Here you're gonna find the mini drone. This is the mini Lego drone because you can put Lego figures here on top. It comes with a little remote control. As you can see, it's very little. You're gonna need like 3 AAA batteries. And you're gonna find USB charger, screwdriver, extra propellers, and a little Santa Claus. Let's take the little Santa Claus out. You must build it because it not comes completely built. As you can see, it's very easy to build. All you have to do is this and you have your little Santa Claus ready to fly. I'm not gonna fly it this way. I'm gonna fly it up with only the top part of the Santa Claus, just like you're seeing in this moment. So we have the little Santa Claus ready to fly. It's a little windy today. Let's see how much flight time we could get. This is a very easy to use remote control. All you must know is that if you press this button, you can do flips, and if you press this button, you can change speed. It only has 2 speeds. The second speed is very fast. This is trimming buttons: front, back, left, right, and power. So let's start flying. First of all, you must turn on the little drone, and then you turn on the remote control and he's going to automatically bin itself. Okay, it's ready to fly. Let's take off. As you can see, it's a musical Christmas flying drone. I don't know if you're hearing it. And it's in speed 1, but I think if you're gonna carry the Santa Claus, you must fly it in speed 2. Let's fly in speed 1 so you can see how fast it is. In this moment, there's no wind, so it's very easy to fly. Here he comes, speed 1. Very easy to fly, but I think you must fly is in speed 2. Let's bring it here, speed 2. Okay, I think that's headless mode. You press the left stick, you're in headless mode, and to change the speed you must press the little button that's below the throttle stick. Okay, now I'm in speed 2. Let's fly it in speed 2. Bring it here, very fast. You can see it's very fast. Don't try to fly too high, because if you fly too high, I'm sure you're gonna lose it. Here he comes, very flat. Wow, you're gonna lose your head if you do that kind of flying. I think the flight time of this little drone is like 2 or 3 minutes. You must have in mind that it has a Santa Claus right on top, and he has a little musical speaker inside, so it's very easy to fly. And when there's no wind, it's more easy, and is a very good flyer indoors, because in indoors you're not gonna have any wind, so you're gonna fly very fast. What I like of this type of little mini drones is they have a special propeller protection, a 2 propeller protection, that if you crash, you're not gonna go to the floor, you're not gonna damage the propellers. As you can see, it's very fast. Let's try to do some flips and rolls, because this little drone can do some flips and rolls. Let's put it here in the air. Flip. Okay, I think it's not flipping. I think when its battery is like low. Okay, here he is flipping. Flip. Wow, it flips with no problem. Normally when the battery is low, these type of drones don't flip, but I think I have some power to keep on flying. Below in the description, I'm gonna give you or leave the links where you can buy these little drones. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment. Wow, What do you think about the video? What do you think about this little mini flying drone? It's very fast. Okay, it starts like there's some wind at this moment. I don't know if you can see the little flag that I have there. Start windy, some windy, but I still can fly this little drone. Try to don't fly more than 3 or 4 minutes when you're in a day with so much sun, because you're not gonna see the lights. Let's see if I can see the lights, if they're blinking or not. They're not blinking, so I think I have some juice to keep on flying. Let's keep on flying and let's see how much time we can get with this little Santa Claus drone. Wow, I think battery is low. Well, this is a very fun flyer. I think it's an excellent flyer for beginners because it's designed to help you not damage the drone. If you crash, you're not going to damage the propellers. It has a lot of power. As you can see, it's very fast, and if you take off, the Santa Claus is going to fly more time and more fast. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like my videos. See you next time. Below in the description you can find where you can buy it from China. See you in the next video. Thanks.